Hey, today we are very happy because today we receive the WhatsApp verification. So finally we have our phone number verified. So takes a while, but it's worth doing it. Let me just show you. This is the email from Facebook. Like, well, finally your account is being verified, and you have the WhatsApp API, all that. We want to share with you like step by step how to get it done. You can do it in one business day if you have all the information, but we want to share with you all the steps you need and how to do it. Well, first create your account. That's the first step, and here choose the WhatsApp API. You need the WhatsApp API option. Okay, that's something you need to do. Once you have your account, let's log in. You have your widgets here, and here we show you how to configure your WhatsApp API. Okay, this is the screen you need to go. You need to check what you need, your CRM, if you need a bot, services you need, your website, if you need the WhatsApp number verified, how many agents do you have. This is very important. If you have Facebook Business ID, this is something you need to have. So this is a step you need to take anyway. Okay. So once you fill up this form, you will click here. You will jump to our partner 360 dialog. You need to fill up this little form. You need to put some information here. It's very easy. And from here, we go to Facebook. And I want to show you the screens you are going to face. I will share all these documents so in the comments, so you have everything for you to check, and you can go like step by step, and you can share this with your boss or with your clients or whatever. Okay, this is for you to help you understand everything you need to do. Okay, well, first we always say that we think WhatsApp Business Verify, WhatsApp API, to have access to this version of WhatsApp is for businesses who need to send automated messages, confirmations, stuff like that, notifications like reminders, checkouts, stuff like that. You want to automate that process in your online store. You need a bot. I mean, bots, it's not like they are super smart, but they help you. So if you want to qualify leads, if you want to use them for support, stuff like that, bots are very good. If you want to have a shared inbox, that means all your agents are going to work with one phone number. That's very good. Shared inbox for WhatsApp is something very handy. You want to verify your number. I will say any medium size, large business should have the number verified, just to avoid phishing, spam, identity, people who can steal your identity. I think makes sense. If you are a business, you should have your WhatsApp number verified, so your clients know this is the official channel for you to get a support, sales, contacts, etc. When you don't need it, you just want the green tick. That may happen, that may not happen. So don't think it's something they give you. It's something they may give you, but it's not on the deck. You want to keep using WhatsApp on your phone. That's not going to happen. Once you have the WhatsApp number verified, you have access to the API. You no longer use your phone. You will need to use an application or a system or automation, but your WhatsApp number do not work on your phone. That's gone. So this is very important. You want to send the spam, of course. You cannot do it. Okay, so don't ask for it. Bulk messages, forget it. That's not the idea. Small businesses, I mean, this is not a free solution. So if you want a free solution to do something with WhatsApp, this is not WhatsApp API. WhatsApp API is a paid solution. You need to pay for it. It's not a lot. You need to check with us, but it's not a lot. So, but it's not a free solution. So small businesses, I mean, normally they think this is free. It's not. Okay. So this is just to keep you in mind what is a WhatsApp API for. Okay. So once you do the steps we said, no, you go, you create your account, you go here, you fill up the form, then you go to Facebook. This goes automatically. If you have a Facebook business ID, then you can carry on. This is something you can do, as I said, in the same business day. Probably takes 20-30 minutes. It's not something crazy, so you can do it all in one shot. Okay, so this is very easy. Facebook, now we are in Facebook. So you are into chat B, you fill up the form, you go to 360, you fill up the form. Now we are in Facebook. Okay, so this is 3 simple steps. Okay, we are going to verify everything. 360 is the partner, is the BSP, so they are going to check this information. You need to confirm your Facebook business ID. If you don't have it, you can do it here, but then the process may take longer. If you have already a Facebook business account, then you select the account and you go to the next step. Some basic information about your business, address, etc. But it's very important. Use the information that is legally registered, because you are going to need to submit documents to Facebook. You are going to need to send documents about your company, invoicing, taxes, etc. So you need to send that information, and the information needs to match. Okay, so use the information that you have about your company legally recorded. I don't know if in your that depends on every country, can be different, but please use the same information so everything makes sense. The legal business name, this is the same. This is, you need to use the legal business name, not use your brand. Don't use, this is what is being registered, because when you send the information, they are going to check, okay, what's happening. Okay, your website, phone number, etc. Okay, this is what you need to do here. Category, business description, and finally, this is very important. You need to use a new WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is very important. Your the phone number, it should not be used in WhatsApp. Needs to be unlinked. Okay, if you need to unlink your phone number, there is some documentation there. I will try to find the guidelines for that. But the same, you need to use a phone number that is not working in WhatsApp. There are, companies who give you virtual numbers. You can use one of those. You can, use a landline if you have one that is not being used with WhatsApp. You can do things there, but you need a new or a clean phone number. So this is very important. The same, use a different WhatsApp number. When everything is done, let's go to Business Manager. This is my Business Manager. I think I can go here to Business Settings, so I can show you the WhatsApp accounts. I go here, Settings, I think it's here. Well, takes a while to load. That's Facebook. Okay, so as you can see, the business the verification is verified and the account is approved. Okay, so this is, everything is good to go. What happens? I mean, you cannot do anything in Facebook or in WhatsApp with the API. It's just you have the API, that's it. As you can see here, at this stage, we are limited to 1,000 customers for 24 hours. That's a lot, but you are limited to for that. This is the company, this is the phone number, it's connected. So this is working. So now we have this, the WhatsApp number is verified. You need to send some information and that's it. What we are going to give you? We are going to give you tools to use the API in WordPress, PrestaShop, and with our solution, with to Chatbee. So everything is going to be there for you. Everything is going to be working, but you need to start with the number verification. So this is important. I think it's a process you need to start as soon as possible. I think you need to have it. I think it's important for any business. It's some work is pure administrative work. It's not technical work. It's more for the owner or the business manager or the account or something like that. But I think makes a lot of sense. What we see is more often campaigns that the call to action is go to WhatsApp. More websites who use WhatsApp for support, for sales, for anything. Make WhatsApp an official channel for your company. So, I think it's something you need to do. I think it's worth your time and it's worth your effort. So let's do it. If you need help, just give us a call. We will be happy to help you. All right? Thank you. Bye.